Hi, welcome to Learn With Me. Today we're going to talk about this question, what is a fact family? A fact family is always only three numbers, and the three numbers are related, just like a family is related. I like to explain a fact family like the story of Goldilocks and the three bears. So there's three members in this fact family. There is Papa Bear, who is the largest number, Mama Bear, and Baby Bear. And why a fact family is so important to us is because it allows us to manipulate numbers to do all kinds of different math that's going to help us to solve so many equations. So here, Papa Bear has the rules. Mama Bear and Baby Bear can sit in any chair. Papa Bear must always sit alone when you add. And Mama Bear and Baby Bear, remember we're using our equal as the equivalency sign here. Mama Bear and Baby Bear can change what chairs they sit in. They can use the commutative property and commute to the other place and still create a true number sentence because of their relationship as a fact family. Well, why is this such a big deal? Because if we know, I'm putting it into the form you're probably more comfortable with, if we know an addition fact family, we can change that into a subtraction fact. Papa Bear always sits in the beginning chair when I am subtracting. Mama Bear and Baby Bear can sit in any chair they would like. And they can trade chairs. You can see as I'm moving these, I still have exactly the same three numbers that I'm manipulating, but I can create four separate equations. 8 minus 5 equals 3. 8 minus 3 equals 5. 3 plus 5 equals 8. 5 plus 3 equals 8. I have created four different equations for my fact family. This is good for me when I want to solve something that I'm not really sure of, and we're going to talk about that in a little bit. But first I want to make sure that you understand that sometimes, yes, it is true that in my fact family, the baby has grown up so much that it's actually the same size as Mama Bear. But the rules still remain the same. Papa Bear has the rules. Papa Bear must be at the beginning of a subtraction number sentence. And we could change these, but they are in fact the same number. And Papa Bear's rule when we add, Papa Bear must sit alone when we add. Not necessarily at the end, but alone. Papa Bear sits alone when we add. Now, why would we use a fact family? Well, we use a fact family so that we can create a easier version of a problem to solve. So imagine you're confronted with this problem, 16 minus 7. And here, first, a lot of us who were taught in the old school method, we would think, oh, I have to regroup. Which we know, perhaps from experience ourselves as small children, that this is extremely difficult to visualize. So instead, we can take this problem and we can use what we know about fact families to create a different version of the problem. So this is 7 plus something equals 16. Well, when I'm looking at this, I might think, wow, 7 plus 10 would be 17, and that's so close. And I might think, oh, it's almost 10 that would be my answer there. So it's just one less, so it is 9. And then I can take this back into the original format, and I have solved my equation for 9. So this is one of the reasons that we do use the fact families. And remember, Papa Bear is the one with the rules. Papa Bear has to sit alone when I add, and in the front when I subtract. And a fact family always only has 3 members. Thank you so much for watching.